Gera. Uh, yeah, why I like Navionics? Because I can I can do my planning when on laptop, okay, when I need serious planning. And the second, there are three reasons. First is I can do planning on laptop. I can log on to Navionics web app, Navionics Boating, and then I log in into my account, and then I can do my plotting, planning. I can do while I'm at home, okay. Uh, the second reason is precise sonar charts, okay. So here I have a visual of sea bottom. You see, you can do it like this with depths numbers, and you can do it like this, so you can check out how the sea bottom looks, uh, and how these reefs are shaped, so you can make better decision when anchoring. Okay, that's the second reason. Third reason is that I'm not the only one person using this application, and we can share, with other users our opinions of some places, and we can share also, if you have someone, you can share with him, with his account, you can share your planning. Now let's see for the informations part. Okay, so when I click here, I get this cross with informations. Fuck. Yeah, I get this cross with informations. Now I get here how much this place got uh, grades, yeah, by other sailors, and if they are willing, they will share additional information. Very nice blue lagoon with good restaurant 50 meters from small pier. The restaurant is not cheap, but very good self-made food of homegrown ingredients, family related. Nice. You get it? It's easy, and you can also find, uh, you can also click boat to or drive to a situation. Here on web based, when you're web based, you can get weather information, but on your application, when you click on it, you get weather information. You can place a marker when you're on a boat. You can on your mobile app, you can place marker, and marker will be shown to you when planning online also. Get it? These anchors, it's anchorage. These all are informations. You see this anchor berth. See? Navionics user. Anchor berth. Lagoon Nautic, man. Da vidimo šta kažu. Let's see what they say. Nice but very full anchor spot. Sandy ground, good coverage, northern west winds in case of huge traffic, often swell. So, it's perfect. It's perfect. I love it. I just love it. It's amazing. So, and what I was saying, you can make planning. Let's say we were going from Zenta, right? So you can make route manual. Okay. Uh, Gera Navionics. Okay. Gera Navionics. And now we started from here, and we were going here. That this was our first position, right? And afterwards we were going here the other day, right? The other morning. Here, here. I don't know, I can't remember right now. Let's say we went from the other outer side. Yeah, that's it. So we were staying around somewhere around here. I can't remember right now. So that's our first evening and first morning. So I saved it as Gera Navionics. Okay. Here you can see you can make both settings. Here are made for catamaran. Cruising speed was roughly around 5.2 knots. Let's say fuel consumption. You will see every engine has different fuel consumption depending on torque, on the number of turns. So that's something you have to figure out when you're sailing out. Uh, what the fuck? What is really great feature is this. I love this. I mean, that's what I like, making planning easy. Uh, so we have put I just put in inputs for the boat, and here they gave me I will spend 2.7 liters of fuel. It will take me 2 hours 49 minutes, and it's a distance of 14.1 nautical miles. And here are all the waypoints with distances between them, right? And as a bonus, around your destination, you get all places nearby where you can make, reservations and stuff like this. So Marina Maslenica, that's where Alice and I went for the, I don't know, it was like, we went for to buy something, I don't remember anymore, what was it. So anyways, you get all informations you need, provided either officially, either by other people sailing. It's beautiful. It's perfect. You get it? You get also not just that, restaurants. Look at this. Beautiful, huh? What do you say about it? Look at this. Also, taxi lounges. Everything. You get everything. It gets no better than that. I mean, it's nobody could have made it this way except Italians, okay? Practical people. To make something like this, you have to be practical. Italians, right? You have to be seamen, Italians, right? And you have to be a little bit lazy, you know. So you put effort in making of it, and then enjoy in easy of use of it. So 3 times Italians. Now I'm gonna stop this video and open this map on my mobile application. I'm gonna save it now. You save this. You save this. Yeah, I guess it's saved. Get an avionics, and I open it in my mobile application and I'll show it to you inside of it. Okay. Okay. So now I'm on boating. Okay. So what the fuck is this? Oh yeah. So here I am on my application. I go to root. No. Yeah. My routes archive. Gear Navionics. Not now. We want enable GPS. Here it is. Here is whole route we want. You also get on this map. You get tidal information about tides. There's beautiful information, especially when you're up in tidal waters, like United Kingdom or
Portugal or something like that, because their tides are really high. In Adriatic Sea and Mediterranean Sea, they are not so high. It's down there. And you get weather information. You see? Let's see weather in Split. Beautiful. And in weather information panel, you also get all these informations about tides, moon, and stuff like that. See? Wind information. You see? So wind is, this is expectation. No, this is so far. I'm sorry. Yeah. And expectations, right? Okay, we're gonna stop that now. And wait, a second. Yeah. And you get your route, right? You can change here speed, the course of the ground, overground. You can see time to first point of the route and the final. There are various options when using. Also, I told you you can alternate route. See, just press and hold and move it around. Press the point and move it around. If needed, save it. Okay. I'm gonna open it again. My routes archive. Get an avionics. Not now. And as I told you, you can get detailed reefing, shaded, no overlay, and shaded reefing. I like shaded reefing because it's a good thing to have. But you have to download the map offline for that. And you also get all those informations I told you. See, depth contour 30 meters, 30 to 40 meters, and someone Austrian, he left a review, and what he said: the bay is really nice, well protected, built in case you take a buoy, you have to go to the restaurant, expensive and low quality. Yeah. Well, there is 2 restaurants in Szesula, so one is not so good and the other one is good. And that's it. That's you're gonna like this application. It's really good. It's really accurate. You can make shots on it and save it. Yeah, you're gonna like it. And it's, it has various levels of mapping. The deeper you go, you get more details. See? Perfect. You're gonna like it. Trust me on this one.